Hey everybody, new video is going to come out soon. This is Matt from SO Motorsports. We're here working on the Rx7. Here's some of our patchwork. Don't worry, those are just tack welds. And this has some lovely weld through primer, top and bottom of this patch, and all the way up. So they're going to get ground down, they're going to get seam welded all the way, and then treated. Here's the other side. They have not been ground down yet, but they are patched in. Cars to be cleaned and vacuumed out. There's patches everywhere on the outside, the inside. We just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on and come to you, make sure you know we are not dead. So I am working on a video of what we're doing here and kind of what's going on in our lives, so stay tuned for that. Again, this has been Matt. Find us on Facebook, facebook.com/the SO Motorsports, Instagram SO_Motorsports. We post many more updates on both of those than we do on YouTube. I just don't have the time to edit as much as I would like to between trying to get this thing out of the garage. Alright, see you guys later.